Trader, Tamir from Fibonacci-Traders.com here. Pre-market preparations, December 20th, Wednesday. How many more days we have left in this 2023? 9 more days? 7 more? Trading days, let me know that you hear me. Pre-market. You can see me, as you can see, back at my office, back at my home office in China. Pretty cold here. Came from Thailand, 35 degrees at night. Here in China, it's now -3, if I'm not mistaken. Let me check. Yep, -2. Super cold. Always more fun in Thailand. Always more fun. Who do we have with me this morning? Say hi, don't be shy. Good afternoon, Aviad. Hey, Shlomi, good morning, good afternoon, good day, good night, good evening. Nati, thank you very much. We are live, so stay with us. Hey, Sparty Games, how are you? What do you think about SE? What do you think about SE? Thank you, Ingrid. Always nice to be back home. Home is where home is. Hi, Muki, Offer, Gil, Avi. Thank you very much for joining. Let me know. What do you think? Where are we heading with SPY? What do you think? Where can we end up 2023? Let's see. Next Monday, Christmas. And then going into year end. SPY pre-market. Slightly red, nothing special. Some profit taking. Will be very, very healthy before Christmas. SE trading in a box and now is at the bottom of the box. Good risk reward. Depends on your risk. How do you know the reward? How do you know the reward? This is something. Let's talk about risk reward. If we're already talking about risk and reward, let's talk about risk reward. As traders, the only thing we have full control of is our risk. Okay? AKA stop loss. What no sound? Why no sound? I have sound. Let's talk about risk reward. I'm hearing myself. The only thing we have full control of is our risk. Okay? AKA stop loss. What no sound? Why no sound? Have sound, have sound. Have sound, have everything. So, risk-reward ratio. When I hear people talking about risk-reward ratio, what does it mean? First, about risk. This is the only thing we can be certain of, because this is the only thing as traders we have full control of. Risk management. Yeah, SE in the box, it's the same. Box is in SE, as you can see. SE, no, just kidding. And SE is inside a box. SE. So, I don't remember when I drew these lines, but they are holding. Very nice. Anyway, risk, reward. How do you know the reward? The only thing you have full control of is your risk. Let's say if you go long above this, in my opinion, wait until a break and close above this red line. This is a trend line that goes downtrend line since May. So, wait, in my opinion, at least a weekly close above this, and then going towards this gap over here, and then we have a gap over here. But what is your reward? How do you know your reward? Maybe you will take long here. Your risk for this example, for this educational example, your risk, your stop loss should be below this red line. So this is for sure. How much are you willing to risk in this trade? Let's say $50 US, $100 US, $1,000 US. Doesn't matter. You control it. This is the only thing you control. How much are you willing to risk? How much are you willing to lose on each and every trade? What is your reward? Maybe your reward will be until closing this gap and then back down. Maybe your reward will be until the 49 area and then back down. Maybe it will be up to here. Maybe up to here. Maybe even up to here. So what is risk-reward ratio? I don't like to use this term risk-reward ratio because the only thing you can know for certain is the risk. The reward, for this example, hypothetically, is infinite. So SE, to answer your question, long, in my opinion, weekly close above this trend line, and then you can also take Fibonacci, swing low, swing high, and there you have it. All the levels to the upside until, and of course you need, as long as you're long, manage your risk according to ATR, move your stop loss. Each and every level that is breaking to the upside, move your stop loss. We are not traders. We are risk managers. This is our job, to manage our risk. Once we put on a trade, anything can happen. If we went in long above this, our risk for this example is below here. This is our risk. All this, okay? Just for this example, our risk is all this. Once price continues up, all we need to do is take our stop loss and move it up, manage and minimize the risk until we are break even. Above break even, let this winner run. What else? What else do we have? What do you think about IWM? Ingrid, you did not see the stock market recap from yesterday? This is why we do it each and every day. 12 a.m. Eastern Time, which is 1 p.m. the day after here in China. In Israel, if I'm not mistaken, it's 7 a.m. in the morning each and every day. Between 6 and 7 a.m. Israel time, 12 a.m. Eastern Time, I'm releasing stock market recap. So make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss these videos. IWM, let's see continuation above the 200. This 200 is a very, very tough resistance area. One candle does not change the overall sentiment. The overall sentiment goes way back to April of 2022 since it broke to the downside, and since then, very tough resistance. I want to see a weekly close above the 200, and then with high probability we will see 210 and 223. What else do we have? DKNG. Let's talk about DKNG. DKNN, not MNG. What's so special about DKNG? If you're already long on DKNG, depends where, but it doesn't matter. If I was long on DKNG, my stop loss would be somewhere just below the 3460. As you can see, this area, resistance, then support. Breaking this support, we will see 32, and then this gap to the downside. If you want to go long on DKNG, check the weekly. Nothing much. Only a weekly close above, in my opinion, above 39.30. Until then, nothing much on DKNG. I hope it answered your question about DKNG. Sparty, I hope I answered your question about SE. By the way, box also looking good. We can take Fibonacci. Box long above 26.50, and then we are heading 28.30, and then towards this gap. So box also looks good. Sounds okay. Thank you, Nino, Didi Nino. I talk like Thai. Sawadee Kap, Kap and Kap, Kapun Kap, Sawadee Kap. What else do we know in Thai? Pad Thai, Pad Khao, Kopangan. Where are the support points for UPST? Where are the support points in UPST? All you need to do is take Fibonacci. You don't need to guess. Swing low, swing high. 44.25. Below it, you have a slight gap over here, as you can see. And we know that more than 85-90% of all gaps will get filled. This gap needs to get filled before the next leg up. Failing to hold, 38.07. Below it, 32.75. All you need is to master Fibonacci. Once you master Fibonacci and candlestick analysis and multi-time frames, you will become a professional trader. And on the weekly, if you're a pattern trader, pattern seeker, which clearly Fibonacci traders, we don't follow patterns, we follow price. But if you like patterns, what do you see? A massive cup handle kind of look, long above 49.30, and then we are heading towards 45 and then 72. But looks like UPST needs some kind of cool off after this massive bull run since lows of November. 140% on UPST. Very bullish. So cool off on UPST will be very healthy. Maybe retesting the 38 as the support. By the way, Fibonacci traders, we have two programs. If you want to become professional trader, we have the one-on-one live and the online program pre-recorded. Basically same stuff on both programs. Choose one. Choose your language, English or Hebrew. And if you are committed to the process, I will be committed to you. I will teach you everything that I know with lifetime access for support and guidance. So you will be able to trade and take decisions by yourself. Whether you want to be day trader or swing trader. By the way, if you want to be professional swing trader, you can do swing trading and keep your daily job. You don't have to quit your 9-to-5 job in order to become a professional swing trader. You can keep both sources of income. The more sources of income you have, the fastest way you will be financial freedom. Check the links in the description below or just contact me on Discord. All the links in the description below. What else do we have? AI for short. I will be back to CRM. 1 second, Nati. AI for short. Why AI for short? Looks like we are in some kind of a bounce. 30.85 needs to hold. Below it, we have this gap at the 28.50. And we also have this trend line. Maybe retesting this trend line and then back up. As you can see, trend lines shows us the way. And for now, until proven otherwise, AI is inside this uptrend channel. Don't fight the trend unless you want to take a short from yesterday until this area over here, which can be pretty nice short, 10% short, but you need to be a very, very good trader to be able to catch this short. and to catch the bottom over here to close this short. What else do we have? Carvana and UPST. UPST we just did. What else do we have? Hi Amir. Thank you very much for joining, Rafael. UPST. We just talked. What do you have with UPST? What's going on with UPST pre-market? Everybody's talking UPST. Why? What's so special about UPST? We just talked about it. I would like to buy IWM for long term. Is it good buy today or better wait? Well, cannot tell you what to do. But if it was me and I'm waiting for a weekly close above the 200, Carvana, someone did not watch my top stocks to watch weekly edition every Sunday. Top stocks to watch. Carvana was one of them. And now we need to retest the 5440 as support. Maybe this one, this area over here. We have a gap open from yesterday. This gap needs to get filled before the next leg up. So we might get a touch at the 56 and then next leg up. It's too much stretch to the upside. Some kind of a retracement, cool off will be very, very healthy. But overall, Carvana looks very good. Let's make Fibonacci from here. Touch, closing this gap, and then next leg up will be very healthy. What else do we have? CRM. We also talked about CRM in my top stocks to watch. CRM 265 resistance, long continuation above it. You have all the levels to the upside. Now looks like some kind of a retracement. We have this trend line over here that needs to hold as support. Below it we will see 248 together with this trend line. Follow trend lines. Use trend lines as your roadmap for future price action together with Fibonacci. What else do we have? Hi Ophir, hi Stanislav, DKNG, we talked about Aviad. Please allow. Okay, we talked about AI. M for Rafael. What's so special about M? Nothing much. Moving sideways, long continuation above yesterday's highs. Below 19. And this gap will get filled. This is my 2 cents on M. Let's check the weekly on M. 1897 needs to hold. Let's take Fibonacci to here. This is our recent high. 1830 area needs to hold the support. Below it, this gap will get filled. And then 1644, long continuation above 2110 towards 23. And then 2540 to the upside. Meta, Avi. Ladies and gentlemen, why you don't wait? Wait. Why no one is seeing my stock market review each and every day? Here you have. Check this. In this link, I go over SPY, Q, Dow Jones, IWM, Bitcoin, Ethereum, KRE, Magnificent 7, and more. Each and every day. It's the default video of each and every day. Check it out. Meta, inside uptrend, purple uptrend channel. This purple support zone, purple resistance zone. Some kind of a pullback, maybe retesting. The 337 together with this purple trend line will be very healthy. We can also take Fibonacci to the upside, and as you can see, Fibonacci extensions, Fibonacci future resistance. Yesterday worked pretty well. Now 343 is the support. What else do we have? Thank you, Leah. Always good to be back, except the weather is horrible here. -3. Came from 35, sunny. Came to snowy -3. Unbelievable. Wix.com, uptrend. Who asked for Wix? Gilsha, nice. Uptrend until proven otherwise. Look at Fibonacci, how Fibonacci swing low, swing high, extension yesterday, boom. Resistance. Now this gap needs to get filled. Below it, we will retest the 108. If you're already long on Wix, use Fibonacci and ATR as your risk management. If you don't know how to use risk management, go to my YouTube channel, go to the Fibonacci Academy playlist. It's free, 26 videos on how to become a better trader, how to become a better risk manager, how to use Fibonacci, how to use ATR. Also, many videos on mental resilience, the psychology behind trading. Each video no more than 15 minutes. One video each day, and by the end of the month, by the end of not a calendar month, but a month, you will become a better trader. So check it out. What else do we have? Do you think CVNA will continue the uptrend? You just talked about CVNA. Go back few minutes back. CVNA needs some cool off. CVNA needs cool off. Maybe back closing this gap, and then if you're not long yet on CVNA, I would wait for a pullback. What do you mean, Ophir? Daily? For day trading? Day trading, you are more than welcome to our Discord. We have the premium room. We talk about day trading every day. What else do we have? CVNA. Everybody wants CVNA. You're too late for the live. 3 times already talked about CVNA. RK for long until proven otherwise. Iran, long until proven otherwise. 50-60 is the support. RK looking good, going long. Next will be the 56.60. Dollar cost. I believe you're Stanislav. I believe you are answering Kira, right? About IWM. Ingrid, sorry. What else? Can you see if any correction to be placed with Tesla? Why no one sees my daily recap videos? Every day, 7 a.m. Israel time, ladies and gentlemen. 12 a.m. Eastern time. Tesla. We have this yellow trend line as resistance for the higher highs. We have this red zone as resistance for the lower highs. Basically, now Tesla is inside this massive broadening formation. 249 needs to hold the support. This is the support now. Below it, we will retest this red zone as support. This is my 2 cents on Tesla. Can you look at W? Disney for Nati. Disney, we have this gap over here. We have this gap over here. Long continuation on Disney. Let's take Fibonacci. Let's see what Fibonacci tells us. Long continuation above 24.44. And then you have all these levels to the upside. And as you can see, I have my alert on Disney above 96.60. I'm waiting to go long on Disney above 96.60. And then, with high probability, this gap at the 100 will get filled. This is my 2 cents on Disney. What else do we have? RK. We just talked about RK. Hi, Jonathan. Thank you. Am I the only one who does get the notification? You don't get the notification? Did you hit the notification? Sometimes it doesn't work. I don't know, something with YouTube. I have no idea. Just know that each and every day I'm live. 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Put an alarm clock in your phone. Right. 8 every day. 8:26. Set an alarm. Fibonacci Traders going live in few minutes. You will never miss it. Monday till Friday, sometimes not. Depends on the mood, depends on the market, depends where I am in the world. Open. Open, open. Open door. What did they do? I believe something with doors that opens automatically. AI doors. Open sesame and the door is open. Let's check the weekly. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Long continuation. This week over here, this tail, in my opinion, will get filled and then we can go long above 491. If you're not long yet, I would wait. Let's put an alert. Nice. Then we can take Fibonacci. Above this area, above the 5, we will see 646. I just set an alert to go long and open. Nice. Thank you. Who asked for open? Thank you, Jonathan. Very nice price action. Very nice price action. Intel for Alon. By the way, who did not hit the like, who did not hit the subscribe, and who did not share with friends? This is the only thing I ask. It takes 1 second of your time. Like, subscribe, and bring friends and family. Let's help others become better traders. Each and every video, each and every live we do, we educate and we help each other grow as traders. Intel, I don't remember when I drew this orange line, but look at how lines are working. Trend lines, as long as Intel is grinding up below or above this line, the way is up. 44.80 is the support. So if you're already long on Intel, if it was me, I would put my stop just below this red zone. Of course, it's only my opinion. Always do your own due diligence. Never trust anyone on social media to take care of your money. It's your money, ladies and gentlemen. Please take care. Learn how to take care of your money by yourself. Do not trust no one else, especially on social media, including myself. I don't know your risk tolerance. I don't know your daily routine. I don't know your background. And vice versa. You don't know nothing about me. Except that I'm 7 years, full-time trader, reached my financial freedom after several years of struggling with trading. I reached my financial freedom and I can provide to my family. Pretty nice. What else? So I hope this answered Intel. What is Perion? Perion Networks. For short, as long as we are below 31, you are good to go short until 29.30. This will be a very important area of support. Very tough support for bears to break. Below 29, in my opinion, 25.70 gap will get filled. What else do we have? Thank you, Gil. Thank you, Jonathan. What else? By the way, if you don't, let's check this. We haven't talked about futures. Basically moving sideways. Broke below. A very important uptrend line. Now let's see how bulls will continue. Let's say 47, 44, maybe 47, 36 today and tomorrow will not be a surprise. Cool off in the market is always good. We need this cool off. We need a cool off. Let's check the daily and the SPY. $472.30. Yesterday's lows. Needs to hold the support. Below it, we will go back to 467. Let's take Fibonacci from here. Yep. 469. Yes, this trend line, this orange trend line needs to hold the support. It's also yesterday's low. Below it, 469.30. Long continuation. We are entering a new uptrend channel. And as long as SPY is inside this orange channel, the way is north. Can we get 500 in the last few days? 5% more to the upside. 500, 5 plus 0 plus 0 is 5. 5% to the upside is also 5. And 5, we all know 5. Fibonacci number. What else do we have? MXL for Nati. This will be the last for this live. Always great to be back home, back to my home office with all the equipment that I need. MXL to 2160 is the support. Look here, very important area of support. Now let's see continuation above this area, above the 2290 towards the 2412. Any other question, any other requests? If not, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, share with friends, and please don't forget, each and every day, 12 a.m. Eastern Time, which is around, I think, if I'm not mistaken, 7 a.m. Israel Time, 1 p.m. China Time, and if you live in Australia, it's 3 p.m. Australia Time. Every day, stock market daily review. So hit the notification bell. You won't miss it. Until the next video, until the next live, stay safe.
Thank you.